Conjunctivitis seems to be doing the rounds again at the minute. I've had many a message from parents asking what they do for conjunctivitis. Well, these are some of the best herbs out there with studies backing them up that state that they are fantastic at treating conjunctivitis. So I make a lovely little eye wash out of chamomile and calendula. In addition to that, I'll also pour some into the bath as well, because obviously that gets on the faces. So it's an extra little treatment. Now, Calendula officinalis is antibacterial, antimicrobial and antibiotic. It's an antifungal, an antiseptic and so much more. Chamomile is soothing, calming, anti-inflammatory. It's a tried and tested folk method. Although Nim had her own ideas on it going in the bath, may I add. But I thought a demo would be easier. Herbal tea.
What's this going to be about? It's like someone's just peed in the pool.
It does look like somebody's just peed in the bath, I get it. But they haven't.
I don't get in there, guys.